Yo, 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 what's up, boys? All right, we're here.
We out here.
It is live.
It's live.
How are we
We're
feeling?
live. I don't know what to do. What am I doing? No, I'm playing, bro.
How
What's
we
up,
feeling?
man? I'm feeling good, man. Just got off the beach. I'm living the chicken and life, or chicken and rice life. I said the chicken and life. The chicken and life rice. Nah, I'm playing though, man.
We just went to the beach, took a nice shower.
I didn't take a shower.
Showering after the beach is probably the greatest feeling ever.
Right?
Ever.
This boy over here, man. This boy is on that gym tan, and then he's got a lot of laundry on there, man. Got to get that done. Got the
GT.
Alani in hand.
Alani.
So how are you feeling, bro? How are you feeling about what's going on with you, man? Like
about
with this,
what?
because look, guys, like, all right, so I met this kid whenever he only had like maybe, I don't even know, like 1,000 followers, maybe, I don't even know, and now you got 20, bro. Honestly, I'm impressed, bro. Like, that's crazy. You've been doing this for maybe like a year or so, year and a half.
Almost 2 years. 2 years almost. Yeah.
Really?
I think it's almost been 2 years. I moved here.
That's crazy.
When I moved here is when I really started. So I moved here. It's June 18th. Moved here June 10th, 2020.
Oh, really?
It's 2022 now, so I've been here for 2 years. Social media for like 2 years. But what do you think? Am I the same person?
No,
Did I
dude.
switch up?
You're a dickhead.
Did I switch up?
Dude, this dude's an asshole now. He won't even say hey to me, bro. He walks by me, he's like, man, screw this guy. Nah, bro. I feel like you've stayed the same, bro. It's just like crazy to see like the growth, you know?
Yeah, I feel
Like that's cool, man. 20K, bro.
that's the goal, is to like be the same person. Like, I don't want to change
No,
who I
yeah.
am just based on like how many followers I have, because I feel like that's fucked.
No, that's what a lot of people do, bro. And you
Yeah.
can kind of tell in their, well, especially content creators, like you can kind of tell as they get bigger. Some, not all, they just become a little bit more, I don't know, not narcissistic, but like they just like walk with a certain ego. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure.
And you don't want to be like that, bro.
Yeah.
Because you being yourself is what's going to continue your growth, you know?
Yeah, and I've just been at it like 2 years, like I said. So it's just like, I would just say like the overall just like consistency of like continuing to post is what has gotten me here. So
Yeah, no.
I don't know.
But 2 years, bro, and already 20, bro, that's pretty good.
Yeah, and it's like within the past like few months, I went from like 10K
Yeah.
to like 20K. So
Yeah.
like it took a little bit for me to pop, but then once I did, like you just pop. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I think it's like almost once you get big, or like once your account like grows
Mhm.
in terms of followers, I think it just like it's like exponential almost.
Nah, I feel that.
Whereas like you grow faster once you already have a lot of followers. Like once it picks up, it goes a lot faster. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, yeah. Once you start picking up, it's just gonna hopefully continue. You know what I mean? Eventually, it's gonna level off. But dude, yeah, you went like, bro. I was looking like a month ago. This kid had like 10K, and then I looked like 2 weeks ago. I'm like, bro, what in the world? And then on top of that, let me go ahead and tell y'all, I live in Greensboro now. And I had these kids, or the gym that I go to. There's these two kids that came up to me and like were like, yo, how do you know Ben? Because they had saw me post him on my Instagram story, and I was like, yo, that's my boy, and he's in Myrtle. They're like, what? He lives in Myrtle? Like, that's crazy. Like, I always watch his TikToks and stuff. I'm like, bro, what? I'm like, what in the world, man? This kid's worldwide now, boy.
It's
this
wild,
kid's worldwide.
And Nick just slid up on my Instagram story. You remember Nick? We met Nick at the gym.
Oh, last week?
Yeah, the dude I always do the gym vlogs with.
Yeah, the kid that's like 8 feet tall.
Yeah, so I just
boy
reposted
big,
someone
isn't it?
using my code for Young LA, because like my discount code, obviously like I get a commission.
Yeah.
So like whenever people use my code, I always like repost it if they tag me.
Uh-huh.
And I post it, and Nick slides up. He's like, "Yo, I know that kid. He's from my hometown." So like, literally like some just random kid from his hometown is like watching my shit.
Sick.
So it's like, it is getting to that point now, and that's like I said, like with before, like with the, as soon as you're growing, like it's just becoming like exponential.
Yeah.
Like I'm starting to like meet a lot more people like in person that are like, yo, I see your shit, and it's like I was telling you earlier, like it's dope, like, but like I don't even like, it's just like surreal, like it doesn't like feel real, you know?
Yeah.
Because like I feel like
It's all new to you though.
that's what I'm saying. Like
Yeah.
it doesn't feel real yet, because like
And I guess the more you get it, that's when you're gonna really know, like like if you're staying this, you know what I mean? Like the more it continues to come is when you're gonna realize, okay, am I still this
Yeah,
same
and that's like
person,
that's
or-
why I always question myself. Is like, am I staying the same or am I changing? And I don't think I have really, because like you look back at those old videos of me on YouTube.
Those are great.
I think I was watching.
Check 'em
I was
out.
watching them, and I was like, yo, like I just do the same shit, but like I look different now. So it's like,
Nah.
I don't know. I think I'm just trying to do what I love at the end of the day, to be honest, because that's
This is what you wanted though, right?
yeah, this
Like
is what I've been
when you first
doing for
started
2 years, bro.
yeah, when you first started, this is what you were envisioning,
That's
correct?
what I'm saying. Like I'm dripped out in Young LA right now. Fucking.
That's the
I got
that's crazy.
I
No,
got
that's
my dream sponsor.
like that's crazy. Like
Shit's crazy.
Young LA, that's insane, bro.
Biggest company in the industry. Finally got it.
Cause they got the coolest stuff too, bro. It's just they always just sell out in like 5 seconds, bro. It's like you get on there like 10 minutes later, it's like all sold out.
Yeah, I've been rocking their shit for like a while before I even like, you know.
Oh yeah, I know. Do they
But-
just like send you stuff, or like how does that work? Is it like monthly or just every time a drop?
So I just get a gift card right now because
Oh,
I'm
okay.
not really an athlete yet.
Oh, okay.
So I'm on like a 3-month trial just to like prove that I can actually like make them money, because that's obviously like the goal of like the sponsorship
Yeah.
is for like me to make them money. If I'm not making any sales, then like, you know, they don't want to. They're not going to sponsor me. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
right now it's just like a trial. And then eventually, I'm probably gonna become an athlete because I'm performing pretty well, to be honest. And then when that happens, I'll probably get the drop, like every single drop that they have. I'll probably get the whole thing,
Yeah.
and then you get 10% of whatever. Like the people that uses your code, they spend $100, you get $10. So like you get 10% commission.
Oh wow. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
That's sick though. That'd be cool, man. Especially if you're able to become an athlete, be able to meet all the people on the.
Yeah, that's
Because
the
they have the
goal.
cool. They have the. Well, I've never met them, obviously, but like they have some
It's
of
like
the
a
coolest
fam.
content creators. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and they're like a family because like they're all usually in either LA or Houston is where most of like the athletes are at.
Yeah.
And they always do like photo shoots and shit, and like that's where I'm trying to
Bro.
be. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that boy get the chicken and rice involved.
Chicken
Dude, chicken and rice.
X Young LA
Yeah.
collab.
Ooh.
Young LA collab.
No,
That'd be
no.
lit.
That would be crazy, bro. They be doing some crazy designs.
Hell yeah.
I know they probably have some top designers for their clothes for
Oh,
sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Like
yeah.
especially with that one you were showing me today, or Anthony was showing the shirt that he had on, like the tie dye
the
and
young
like
King shirt.
that's sick, bro.
Yes, sir.
But see, that's the thing about Young LA is like they have they still have style. Like most fitness brands don't have style. It's just, you know what I mean?
Or they just do fitness. Young LA does like lifestyle shit too.
And,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly. They learn the business, like
Yeah.
as in like, okay, we're doing fitness, but if we can go this route too,
Yeah, like they
The
just
more-
dropped underwear, or like their next drop has underwear. in
we're
it.
gonna be dripped down the Young LA underwear.
I have it on right now.
Are you? Hey, chicken and rice underwear
Chicken and
soon.
rice underwear.
chewable
Fuck
trend
no.
underwear. Nah, I'm messing.
Chewable trend underwear.
It's hilarious
Fuck.
though, man.
The chewable trend. I wonder if that guy got back to me.
What? Oh, about the design?
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely should do that, man.
I
Like,
need to fucking.
what's it gonna be like? An anime or like what is it?
I want it to be like animated, like a dude. I'm trying to make fucking chewable trend merch, and I just had a designer make me a design, but I didn't really like it, so like I'm doing a revision right now. But I
Yeah.
want it to be like a dude, like an animation of like a bodybuilder,
Uh huh.
and then I want it to say chewable trend, but I want him to be like from here up on there blowing a bubble.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nah, I feel you.
Like I think that would be dope. But just like I want it more like simplified. Like that dude drew me like a fucking whole ass like bodybuilder, like full body type shit. Like I don't want that. I want like just the upper half, just looking like a huge
Yeah.
dude blowing a bubble.
Where's the guy at? Where's this designer at? Is he in Myrtle?
No, it's just some random dude. You pay him like $15, makes you design.
Just you found him on Instagram or something, or
Fiverr.
what in the world?
It's like a freelancing app or
Oh, really?
website where you can have people do like anything.
That's
But yeah, if
sick.
there's any designers out there that want to like help me like make shit, like I'm down to pay, cause
Yeah.
gotta make some chewable trend merch for the boys.
That boy just coming up with all the merch, man.
Hell yeah.
That's sick though, man.
It's gonna be separate from chicken and rice though.
It'll be like a whole different.
Yeah, I'll have like a separate website because like I can just do Teespring like I did on the old chicken and rice hoodies.
Oh, okay.
You know how I used to do the old hoodies or no?
No, I haven't we even like, bro, it's been like, dude, since we've been like chilling consistently, like seeing each other,
Like a
it's been like a year, bro. So
Yeah.
like, it's just, that's what I'm saying. It's crazy to be
So-
here now and still like, you know what I mean?
So with the old hoodies, I literally had a website. It's called Teespring. So like they give me a website.
Yeah.
I make my store on the website. I make the design for the hoodie, and then when someone goes on the website and places an order, so all I did was put the words chicken or rice on a hoodie in like a specific font that I liked,
Uh-huh.
and they print it on the hoodies. Like they have a warehouse full of blank hoodies,
Yeah.
right? They make the hoodie, put chicken or rice on it, and ship it straight to the person. And I don't do anything. I just have the store make the designs and literally like collect profit. And I sold like almost 2,000 hoodies.
Okay, so you're not even getting the product. They're having the product, boom.
They're doing everything.
And then you have to let them know where it's going and...
No, because when they place the order online, it goes straight to them.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I do with the old merch, and then I would just like market it on TikTok.
So what do you like better, that way or like how you're doing it now?
I mean, obviously that way it's a lot easier. You don't gotta do as much.
But you're not making as much?
But the quality isn't as
Oh.
good as my shit that I have now, and you're not making as much.
True.
The margins are a lot smaller. So like on a hoodie, I'll make like $20,
That's pretty good.
and on the old ones, I was making I think like 12, which is not that bad, but make about 20 with them, and then yeah, I was making 12 before, but I sold 2,000, like almost 2,000 units,
Yeah.
and without even doing anything before I started ordering my own. So I used all that money to order like my own inventory.
Yeah.
And now I have like higher quality shit, obviously, and then I want to keep doing more stuff. So next thing will be oversized tees,
Yeah.
stringers.
You made oversized tees, didn't you,
Cutoffs.
before or no?
No,
Oh, okay.
on that website I had regular T-shirts, and then you could just size up for like an
Okay.
oversized look, but
Yeah.
didn't do oversized tees, not yet. I
Yeah.
had samples come in, but I didn't really like them because I had it embroidered, but I didn't really like how it looked. So I was like,
Nah, I feel you.
eh.
It's
But-
so like what is the like is your goal with this? Is it like to like go more like try to get I'm obviously you want to get sponsored, but are you like at the end goal, are you trying to like build your own thing first, or like how's that going? Are you just trying to do both? Like
In terms of like the chicken or rice
yeah,
clothing.
yeah, like you're wanting to see that blow up, correct? Like that's
Yeah,
what you're,
yeah.
okay.
So I'm gonna like just keep dropping more and more stuff, and then eventually I'll just have like a bigger inventory, and just more items, more designs.
Yeah, that's sick, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I definitely feel that, bro.
I'm trying to take that shit, and I want it to be quality shit too. I don't want it to be looked at as like merch.
Yeah.
I want it more to be like its own brand. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Which is, because obviously you can just do merch. So like the chewable trend shit,
Yeah.
and like the little jokes that I make that
Yeah.
like people can like resonate
What
with.
even was that, bro? Like, what is that, bro? Like, this dude be coming out with some gum, being like, yo, I got the chewable trend. I'm like, what is this dude talking about over here, bro?
And that's the thing is like, if the audience like didn't like fuck with it, I probably would have never said it again.
Yeah.
But like
it's just
I
about
said it,
putting
I
things
said
out
it
there.
one time, and then everyone was like, "Yo, what's this chewable trend shit? What's this chewable trend shit?" And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna fuck with them, and I'm just gonna keep doing
Well,
it.
it actually isn't. It's just like gum,
It's
right?
literally just gum.
Dope.
It like there's nothing.
You can pick it up
special
at the
about it.
you can pick it up at the gas station. We good.
Yes, but like the way I make it sound, like people that don't like watch me regularly,
Uh-huh.
they think it's like actually some special shit.
Really?
So like they literally think they're like, I'll get DMs sometimes, and it's like, yo, where do you get this chewable trend shit? Like I'm trying to hop on, like for real.
yeah.
And I'm like, bro, like you know you can just get this shit at Walmart. They're like, for real? They think it like actually. They're like, yo, what's this chewable trend shit do? And I'm like, bro, it's literally just gum. Like it's alright, bro.
No, yeah, for sure.
And then there's crystallized trend.
what?
Which
This guy is all about the trend.
Crystallized trend is the Himalayan pink salt that I have in my
Oh,
gym
okay.
bag.
Hell,
I
heck
keep
yeah.
it in my gym bag, and I'll pop like salt pre-workout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
Well-
you should have like if you have both of them on a t-shirt, bro. Like have them like holding both or something like that, bro.
Holding the salt and the gum.
Oh, like salting the gum. Yo, that would be funny, bro.
Holy shit. Yeah.
But yeah, man, how's training, man? How's everything going, man? Like with the, if you're, because I know you're pursuing bodybuilding as well. I mean, you could be a fitness influencer, but not be a, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And that's
And it
like
seems like you're wanting to do more shows.
yeah. I mean, it is tough at the end of the day because like deep down, I know like naturally I won't do like that good. You know what I'm saying? Like in bodybuilding. But I do think I have like good shape and like good potential to
definitely, bro.
do well. But
you could definitely, if you wanted to be a pro, you definitely could.
yeah, but I'd have to hop on. So it's
yeah.
That's the thing is like I would have to hop on to like actually compete at like a super high level. But I think I'm gonna try to do as best as I can, like naturally.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Sure. You definitely
and then try to inspire as many people as I can to like compete and shit. Because I feel like a lot of people just don't compete because they think they have to be like super huge, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And like a lot of people compare themselves to the people that they see on social media, so that they'll never actually like get the balls to compete because they're like too scared of like what other people will think and shit like that.
100%, bro.
You know what I'm saying? So like I don't know. And I think it's just a lot of influencers too, like they shit on people for being too small because like I'll see a lot of like huge bodybuilders on TikTok that will just like shit on all like these smaller fitness influencers. I know,
it sucks, bro.
And they're like, "Yo, you're not aesthetic, you're small." And it's like that's the type of shit that's getting people like that want to pursue bodybuilding like demotivated and like they don't want to do it anymore because of people like you like that are like shitting on all these like smaller like fitness people. But it's like I kind of want to just like do more shows in the future because I do love it. When I got on that stage, bro.
I know, bro. I could
like,
tell.
I
this
was
dude
fucking
so
lit.
excited.
I got
bro.
off that stage and I was like, holy shit, because it's like I pose in front of like people at the gym all the time. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
so I was like, I wasn't really nervous to like pose on stage because like my posing is pretty solid.
Yeah.
And I was up there. I was like, yes, like this shit is lit.
Yeah.
Pose in front of everyone. My posing routine was like that shit came out good.
Oh yeah, I saw the video.
I was happy with that. And
but yeah, I think that's the kind of the crappy thing about like this generation. Like if in bodybuilding, especially like if you go back to like whenever it was Arnold, it was just you could just tell they generally loved each other and were just like generally loved. You know what I mean? No, there was no hate towards anybody. It was just let's have a good time, let's train, let's eat what we gotta eat, and let's not hate on each other. Like let's all just win. Yeah. And that's the problem. People, if they see you winning, most people aren't gonna like that because they're not winning. You know what I mean? And that's not a good mentality to have. Yeah. You should be like, that's cool. You know what I mean? And that's the crappy thing about it, you know?
Yeah, because it's just like all like the bigger people that are like roided out of their fucking minds
yes,
are just
dude,
like shitting.
That's not good, bro.
Like I just see it too often where y'all are just like shitting on people that are smaller, like just because they're small and they're like competing, and like the whole thing is like, oh, why are you competing? You have nowhere near as much size as you need to compete. And it's like, bro, if you're always like going for more and more size, you're never going to actually get on stage because you're just going to be focused on putting on size. And it's like, how are you going to know what you've built if you don't like diet down? You know what I'm saying? So it's like,
exactly.
Diet down, do a show, especially if you want to do it. Like if you don't want to do it, then don't do it. You know what I'm saying?
Well, and like you said, they're always looking at someone else. They're not looking at themselves.
Yeah.
They're always like looking at this person. So when they look at themselves, they don't think they're worth, or they don't have worth. They don't have self-worth.
Yeah. And that's
it's like you got to know your worth. It's like, who cares what this person's doing? I'm going to do what I got to do to make myself better.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
It's like it's just social media in general, because like you see all these people on here. And the thing is, like, those people, most of the time, like, the ones that are, like, super shredded and shit, like, it's really not easy for even them to, like, maintain that look most of the time. Like, you see me when I was, like, shredded as fuck. Like, if I was trying to maintain that, like, for an extended period of time, like, life would suck. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not easy.
Yeah, no,
so, like,
100%.
y'all compare yourself to these dudes that are, like, on shit, super, like, big and fucking diced.
Yeah.
Like that shit's not like a realistic standard, but like even then, like you shouldn't even be comparing yourself to them because like they're not you. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly,
so
bro.
I just think you should just push yourself as hard as you can and not even worry about, comparing yourself to these other people, because you'll never be those other people.
You're just gonna be you.
You're just gonna be you. End of the day, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, what the fuck?
Yeah. And it just sucks because like the guys he's talking about that are just like completely roided out and all this. Like, I mean, we've seen it the past like year or 2 years. Like, they die, bro. they're dying like at a rapid rate. Like all these people are just dying. So it's just like you got to just decide, you know, like what you want and things like that and who you want to be and not worry about anybody else's outlook, you know. And I think that's one of the reasons why this kid, the Chicken and Rice CEO, has done so well, bro. He hasn't really, you know, look at people, but he knows who he is, you know. So that's why he's been able to do certain things and grow the way you have, you know.
Yeah.
And I respect that. And I respect that, bro. That's some CEO stuff right there, bro.
Yeah. Chicken and Rice CEO. And that's another. Oh, hold up.
I'm like a talker though, so I can do good at podcasting.
Podcast is lit, bro.
I know, man. I just be like talking. We can go from like funny to serious to like dumb to like.
Alright, we good. What the fuck were we talking about?
Nah, we were just talking about how people like, you know, it's just not even just in like the fitness world. It's just like, you know, like they're too honed in on like what someone else is doing whenever they could just be honed in on what they need to do with whatever who they want to be, you know? And like that's like the main thing. That's what I was saying is like you haven't really, I mean, obviously you see people, but it's just like you've kind of figured out, okay, chicken and rice, boom, this is what I want to do. Boom,
Yeah.
I'm going to do this. And you kind of just do it.
Yeah.
It's not really a thinking. It's just like, let's do it. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't. If it does, then it does.
Yeah, and I think that's like one of the biggest things. There's so many people that are trying to do like the fitness influencer shit. Like my fucking TikTok is full of just like, you know, fitness people. You know what I'm saying? Like kids that are trying to like be fitness influencers. But the thing is, there's so many and you guys are all doing the same shit. So it's like if you don't find a way to stand out, you're not going to stand out, you know? You're going to fit in with everybody else and nobody's going to see you as like your own person. They're just going to see you as some TikTok teenage influencer, you know what I'm saying? And that sounds like shitty, but it's true. So like if you don't find a way to make yourself different and like stand out, find something unique to you, then you're just going to fit in with everybody else and nobody's really going to like try to like, they're not going to resonate with you. And like that's what you need in terms of like being successful like long term on social media. You need to build a community. You need people to resonate with you. You know what I'm saying?
100%.
So that's that for sure. That's why you're the blonde swan, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I think you could take this fucking blonde swan.
I know, dude. It's crazy.
Moon, bro.
Everywhere I go now, bro, people just call me Swan.
That's what I'm saying.
When I introduce myself, I go Swan. I swear, it's so funny, bro.
Just say I'm the blonde swan.
And that's the thing. And even like, see, I struggle with that. Is like I need to just do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because like I have a good like
personality.
Like, yeah. Oh yeah.
You have the personality, bro. Like you could do well on TikTok. You just need to learn TikTok and post TikToks
and just go. Because I think
post your shit.
For you especially, I think like because you said you started 2020, and that's kind of when when TikTok kind of came out, like a year maybe before that. But your TikTok is what has really helped you, bro. Yeah, I know it has
for sure.
Because that's where a lot of people know you from, and then they go to Instagram and all that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, for sure, 100%.
Because like a year ago, I probably had like 10K or some shit on TikTok. Now I'm at like 110K.
You're at 110K.
You know
this boy got like millions of likes. I'm like, boy.
Yeah,
Andy's over here drinking the Addison Ray drink.
Addison Ray, hit me up, bro.
Hey, yeah, he's about to get.
Addison Ray is valid.
Hey, no, I heard she slid in the DMs, bro. What's going down? What's going down? What's going down, bro? Hey, she hit you up. She's like, hey, I like chicken and rice too.
Oh yeah.
Can I get a hoodie? Ooh, that boy be rocking it. That'd be funny, man.
Yeah, and like that's the thing with me is just like I was just experimenting for a long time and just like trying to figure out what I could like make myself out, like, you know, like stand out.
Mm-hmm.
And one night, literally, I'm sitting on TikTok live and I'm like, yo, what if I put chicken and rice on the hoodie? Like just the words chicken and rice, plain and simple. And I ordered one for myself. So I was just like, fuck it. Like I wasn't even gonna sell them at first. I was like, I'm just gonna fucking order one for myself, rock it. Started rocking it and posted TikToks with it. Everyone's like, yo, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? So I made it available for other people to buy. You know what I'm saying? And then it went crazy. It started going crazy. Yeah. At first it was like really slow. A lot of people in the live were like, yo, I'll buy one. But like only a couple people bought them. Nobody like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody says that they're going to like buy your shit, but they never like actually buy your shit.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But, what was I saying? So a couple people bought it, nothing like super crazy. Then I started posting TikToks like heavily like marketing it, you know what I'm saying, like
Uh-huh.
posting up with it, and it just started going crazy. Like there were some days where I would have like 120 units sold in one day, and then I would have like a TikTok hit like a couple million views, and then like the next 3 days I get like 100 orders a day, and I'm selling like fucking crazy.
Yeah.
And then like it just opened my eyes. I was like, oh shit. And then like I have that merch, right? So I'm
Yeah.
like, not only am I like making money, I'm also like making like a brand for myself and like standing out in a way, because nobody else has merch that just says chicken and rice on it. And like
Yeah.
everybody was calling me the chicken and rice guy. Like people were coming up to me at school. They're like, yo, aren't you the guy with the chicken and rice hoodie? And I'm like,
That's so
yeah, that's me.
That's me. I got some
But-
chicken and rice in the car ready
Yeah.
to go.
They just kept calling me like the chicken and rice guy, and I was like, you know what, I'll take that, because nobody else is the chicken and rice guy, and that's gonna give me something to stand out. And then you put that shit in your bio, CEO of Chicken and Rice, bang.
No,
Rest is
once
history.
once you started that, that's where it started to really grow. Because you kind of, like you said, created something.
Yeah.
You know, everybody's posting videos, everybody's doing this, everybody's doing that. But
Yeah.
like once you find like one lane, that's whenever people really start to catch on.
Yeah,
You
and
know?
you stand out, and then like people will show me to like their friends, like type shit like that. Like, yo,
Yeah.
you know the chicken and rice guy? And there's literally, if like when people eat chicken and rice now, like they will think of me. You know what I'm saying?
100%.
Like I even like people will send me pictures of their chicken and rice. I will get DMs.
I know, I see them all the time.
I will get DMs of people sending me a picture of their chicken and rice, and they're like, "Yo, rate the meal, fucking yo, me and chicken and rice." And it's like, it's funny, but like I love it, because it's just like yes, like that's what I was going for. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for
And
sure.
yeah, then like they'll tag me in their stories, and I'll always repost. If you guys ever tag me in your stories with your chicken and rice, fucking chewable trend, I always repost most of them. But
Yeah, that's sick, bro. But
yeah,
so what's going down with the you're about to take a trip? I forgot to ask you about that.
take a trip.
You're going. You
I want to
said
go to Houston.
that's dope.
I want to go to
so
Houston.
what's the plan with that?
So the plan with that is there's a big gym in Houston. Obviously, everybody knows Alpha Land, and I want to collab with some people, but I don't know who I want to collab with yet, because I don't really talk to like many influencers. Like I have a couple, but I'm not like super close with any.
I feel you.
So if any fucking influencers want to go to Houston, Texas, Alpha Land,
Hit
and
'em up.
collab,
Hit 'em up. Hit 'em up.
hit me up, chicken and rice guy.
Is Alpha Land like? Is that like?
It's all like
Oh,
it's
yeah.
full of influencers. You know what I'm saying?
They
so
have
it's
like a store and stuff in there too,
Hell
right?
yeah.
That's so sick.
yeah.
Cause I know oh my god, what's the other kid's name down here that trains? Oh my gosh,
Jacob,
No, he went there like a while back. He was my roommate whenever I was down here. Andrew. Yeah, he went there. I saw he went there.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing real well right now too. I think he's getting ready for his show. But
Yeah, you're coming when we go to Alpha Land.
yeah, no, I'm down.
All right, for
Yeah,
real.
yeah, like 100%.
We got to do it.
I've actually like over the over the past like I don't know, I'd say a couple months. You're right, bro. I've become like I'll say something and then I'll just completely just blow it off.
Yeah.
But I feel like that another thing is because I've kind of I don't know. I guess I kind of put myself in a bad position about like who I've been around, you know.
Yeah.
And like you said, who you're around, dude. Like I've noticed it. And like I just started to notice the reason I'm like, dude, this is not who I want to be, you know? It's just like I can't be saying things and not doing them. I need actions, bro. I don't care about words anymore, bro. You know what I mean? Like even with people that you like chill with, like, and that's like why I feel bad because like you're my boy. Like I don't want to make it like that, but it's like I have done you dirty, and it's just like I feel like internally I just don't feel good.
Yeah.
Like that's why I've had to make certain changes over the past month. It's like, all right, like look, whenever you say something, you're gonna do it.
Yeah. To give you guys background.
Golly, boy. Oh shoot.
For the hotel at the
The
show.
swan flew somewhere else.
Yeah, it's all good. I was gonna tell him.
No, you're good. Go
give
say
him the
it.
background. So for my show, you can't be under 21 and rent a hotel, like get a hotel room. So I had my boy, the blonde swan, cop the hotel for me, and then I just Venmo'd him. But I didn't think I was gonna be able to check in if he wasn't there. Luckily, we get to the hotel. He's like, "Oh, I'm coming this time, this or whatever it was. I don't even remember. I don't even know."
Yes,
But he buys the hotel. I like. Luckily, I'm able to check in. So I check in, and then I think the day before you were like, I'm coming at like 5 or some shit, like 5 p.m. I don't even know. Says he's coming, doesn't come.
Golly.
More of the story, doesn't come to the show. He buys the hotel, and I mean, I Venmo'd him, but I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get into the hotel or not.
And then this boy loses his keys. I wasn't there, obviously.
Oh yeah. So one morning we're leaving the room, and we fucking close the door, and I'm like, oh shit, dude, I just left the key in there. So we didn't have the hotel key to get back in the room. So we went downstairs to the desk, and I was trying to get a new key, and they're like, yo, like, you need the address of like the person that checked in like the hotel, which is him. I'm like, I don't know his fucking address. They're like, you got a phone number? And I was like, yeah, I got his phone number. So I gave him the phone number, and then we got a new card, and we were good. But
that's bro.
It was almost bad.
But nah, yeah, for real, man. It's just like over time, it's just like, you know, you gotta like at some point you gotta kind of like sit with yourself and just like figure out like, bro, like, is this really like? Because, like, if you get known to be the guy or girl, whatever, it doesn't matter.
That always
is always, like, that's not someone who I want to be. So I just kind of, I got to get myself to, you know what I mean? And that's how it is, you know? I hate those type of people.
Yeah.
I literally can't stand them because it's like, all right, we have this going. Okay, so we're doing this. And then, like, at the last second, they're like, and it's just like, are you serious? Like,
yeah, and then it's like, even like, for example, another time, we were going out to eat for my birthday, and I invited him. I invited you. I was like, "Yo, we're going out to eat at 6 if you want to go." You said, "Hell yeah, where we going?" But like, at the same time, if you were with your girl or you like already had plans, I would have been completely fine if you were just like, "Yo,
I know,
like, I can't go, I'm doing this," or "I can't go, I'm doing that." So it's just like, I'd rather you be like, "Nah," than like,
"No, yeah,
hell yeah," and then not text me back. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly, bro. And I have a problem with that as well. Like, it's just like,
yeah, and that's just who you are, though. Is like, you're super like positive, so it's like that's why I still fuck with you, because like you're still like super positive dude. So I know you're doing something, like you're busy, and you're just trying to be nice by saying like, yeah, I'm coming, but
I'd rather be like, I saw like my boy, you know Clifton. You know Clifton Mack, the dude that does the alpha male stuff? Yeah, you do.
Clifton
Mack. Oh, no, maybe not.
Older dude? Yeah, I've seen him.
Okay, well, yeah. Well, nah, he posted something. It's like, but like in reality, bro, if like friends, like if these are people are your friends, you'd rather, not just with that, but like you'd rather people shoot you straight than like, 100%. Than just be like, you know what I mean? Like, screw that. Like, that's not right, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
I'd rather. That's something I'm really good at, I think. And it's almost like too much sometimes. I just like tell it how it is.
That's how it's got to be, though, bro. I'd rather you tell me, like, dude, what are you doing? Like, are you serious, bro? Like, what in the world? You know? Like, I'd rather someone tell me that than someone be like, dude, yeah, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
At certain points, you know? And, like, I feel like I've put myself where, like, because I've been in California, I've been here, there. Like, I just put myself around people who are like that. And it's like, I feel like I have a very, very minimum amount of actual. I may have a lot of friends, but like that are actually going to be like, you know, be on me about things. You know what I'm saying? So, and I think that's the problem with people. Everybody they want to have so many friends and so much, but like at the end of the day, you can only have so many.
Yeah.
That are actually gonna be real with you. You know, so. But that's the thing, man, is just like finding people who are actually real with what they're saying to you.
Yeah, for sure. And like we were talking about this shit earlier, but like they say that you're the average of your 5 closest friends, or like whoever. Like, I don't even have 5 close friends. Like, I don't even have that, like, the 5. But like you're the average of your 5 closest friends. So like the people that you surround yourself with is how like you're gonna start to act and shit.
Exactly.
And like you probably noticed that going from like being here to moving to Cali to moving to wherever. It's wherever like you surround yourself with is like you'll adapt to that. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I keep my circle very small and like only with like a few people that like I, you know.
Exactly.
Like I want to do well. I know they want to do well, and they want me to do well. So it's like
100%.
Surround yourself with goats if you want to become the goat. You know.
I know, and it's just such a weird thing, though. It's like how just humans in general, like it, like literally, like, you know, people be like, no, it's about, but like it literally is, bro. Like it's crazy, like because just for my experience in life is just like, because I've been a couple places and just been around like a lot of different people, like, you know, different vibes, like complete, like here compared to California is like it's a whole different world, bro.
Yeah.
Like with just how people act and things like that. So it's just like, I don't know, it's just like a weird, once you get into certain circles, it's just like you start to feel like, you know what I mean? Like you either are changing in a good way or you're changing in a bad way. And it's just like, I don't know. It's just like like here with like with you and like certain people around here, it just feels like it's more.
It's really chill.
It's chill and these people are growing. Like
Yeah.
people want to do good, you know,
No.
and not just stay the same. It's just like, bro, like just staying the same just is annoying.
Yeah, for sure.
You feel me?
It's definitely gonna help if you like surround yourself. Stick around me, bro. Stick around me. You know what I'm saying?
100%, bro.
I'll push you, bro. If you start posting on TikTok and shit, you could do well. Like I can see it for sure.
I know.
It just comes down to like actually like, you know, doing it, you know?
Yeah, like we just said.
And then it's just like you gotta find what you love. Like if you don't like posting, then like don't post. But like I just think it's like in terms of like your life or like your career in general, like I feel like you should be doing something that you love to do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And
100%.
that's why I do what I do. It's just like I get to fucking I wake up every day. I do fasted cardio. I like it. I like doing it, so I do it. Fucking eat my meals, go to the gym, go to the beach, and I sell my merch and I post content, and I'm able to do that, make enough money to like live, and I go to school like when it's time to go to school, but it's summer right now. But like I'm able to do what I love every day and like still like make enough money, which is like the end goal. You know what I'm saying?
100%.
And I'm just gonna keep grinding my ass off until I can like make
And
more and more money. Make it, chill.
Cause your degree's what? What's your degree?
Exercise science.
Yeah, see that boy.
So I'm gonna get to that degree. That'll be helpful for like one-on-one coaching in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I still do it right now. But
how is that?
What?
The one-on-one coaching. I forgot. I completely forgot you had done that.
I had a couple clients, but they just
fall off.
Yeah, people just fall. I don't think
That's
I'm
the
that
thing.
hard on people. Like I try to be like decently hard on people, but like
But that's how you gotta be. You.
But, like,
I'm
I just think,
telling
like,
you,
I've-
bro, people
for
just
example,
soft.
I mean, I had people in the past, but then I stopped for a while, and I just recently started coaching again, and I had 2 clients, and they both left within the first month because I don't even know. Like they like one of them just ghosted me completely,
Really?
and then the other one didn't want to go past the first month. Some of them was for financial reasons. I don't know, but like
No, yeah, 100%. I get that.
I don't know. People just quit, and they just don't.
They don't see the, you know, like they don't see the future, you know,
Because like in 1 month, like you're not gonna make a shit ton of progress unless you're like dieting. You know what I'm saying? But like
No.
most of my clients, they just want to put on more muscle, and I'm not gonna have them diet if they're trying to put on muscle,
Yeah.
obviously. So you're not gonna see like visual progress in 4 weeks most of the time. You know,
yeah,
like you're gonna have to work with me for a little bit longer than 4 weeks to like see some like visual progress. But unless, like I said, unless your goal is weight loss, because then you could probably see some visual progress in 4 weeks. But
at the end of the day, they need like, it's got to be a lifestyle. It can't just be like a.
yeah, and I can
12
tell
week.
like the 2 people that I did have, like, I mean, they probably like they go to the gym, you know, they watch,
Yeah.
they're on TikTok, like that's where they
Yeah.
found me. It's like TikTok.
I'm
So,
telling
like,
you, bro, your TikTok is that TikTok is that's the way to go.
yeah,
bro.
that's what I'm saying. So it's like they found me on TikTok. They're like just, in my opinion, no offense to them, but it's just like they're like regular, just gym goers. They work jobs, you know what I'm saying, and then they just go to the gym. But
yeah,
I know, like it just comes down to like how bad like you want it, you know. And I feel like most people are just like in it for like the lifestyle reasons of just like, you know, they just want to look a little better, be a little healthier or whatever.
which is fine.
Which is like, it's fine, but like at that point, I don't think you really need a coach. You know what I'm saying?
No, yeah.
If you're just if you're just in it for like, they know what they're doing. Like the 2 people that I did have, like they know what they're doing in the gym. And then you hire a coach obviously to take it to the next level. But it's like if you don't have the mindset to take it to the next level, then like maybe a coach probably isn't for you. You know what I'm saying?
No, 100%.
So I think that was probably the main issue with those 2.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm taking on clients now. If anybody
Hit
is
'em up.
interested in one-on-one coaching,
CEO. CEO.
CEO of Chicken and Rice. Your
That's
meal
how you run.
plan, all chicken and rice,
Every meal.
every fucking meal.
But yeah,
Nah.
dude, and I think that's the problem too. Is just people have like they have trouble like actually committing themselves to, well, really anything.
Yeah,
I
for
read
sure.
I read some. It was like, it's like more difficult to be like 98% committed than it would be to be 100. Just simply off the fact that you have like this thing called decision fatigue, because you know if you're not 100% committed, you're always gonna have something in your head like, maybe I don't have to do this. Maybe I don't have to. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking check this camera. You're saying decision fatigue?
Yeah, that's what it's called. Like, cause you know how like if you're committed to something, you don't even have to really think about it. It's just like, this is what you do. Once you make a decision, it's like that's it.
Yeah,
Like, I'm going to make chicken and rice. Boom, that's the decision. I didn't. Or someone goes, I'm gonna make chicken and rice, and then they go, well, I think maybe. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's that the fatigue, and it fatigues your brain, bro.
yeah. And another thing is like, they say it takes 21 days to create a habit or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Like, I think once you get in the habit of doing the same thing over and over again, it just becomes so much easier to just like
100%,
do it.
bro.
That's why I think meal plans are like better than like eating different shit all the time. Almost for some people, I mean, I think it's different for different people, but like a meal plan as opposed to eating like different shit all the time. If you're having the
Yeah.
meal plan, it's just like bang, 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 eating the same meals. But then if you're like eating different shit all the time, you might be like, oh, I can fit in this donut because, you know what I'm saying? You know,
Yeah,
because
like that
if I
fit
do,
your
like,
macros or whatever.
if it fits your macros, it's like, yo, I can have a donut, but then I can't have any fat for the rest of the day because that's gonna be my whole fat intake, and then this and this and that, and then you make up excuses, and you're like, you know what, I might as well just have a cheat day, and then, you know, next thing you know, you're 5,000 calories in, you just had a whole pizza, and you know,
Nah,
if it fits your macros.
Yeah, my macros are at
If
10,000.
like more like if it fits in my mouth, because fucking hell.
If it fits in my
All right,
mouth.
and with that being said, we're gonna end it right there.
If it fits in my mouth. This boy, what is this boy watching at night? All right, guys, we out. We out. CEO,
fuck.
we out, boy.
Fuck
Peace.